Welcome to this guide on starting navigation routes in your Mazda CX-3 from 2015 to 2022. The built-in system uses TomTom or Garmin maps for reliable routing. Your Mazda CX-3 comes with a comprehensive navigation system integrated into the infotainment display. This allows you to enter destinations manually or via voice commands. Access the system through the touchscreen or rotary controller. The navigation menu provides options for entering addresses, points of interest, and saved favorites. Key features include voice-guided commands for safety, integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for smartphone navigation, and real-time traffic updates through Mazda Connect services. First, ensure your vehicle is parked. Access the Mazda Connect infotainment system via the touchscreen or rotary controller. Find the apps or navigation menu to begin. Remember, it's unsafe and illegal to input destinations while driving. To manually enter a destination, use the on-screen keyboard to type the address, point of interest, or coordinates. For hands-free operation, press the talk button and use voice commands like navigate to address. For frequently visited locations, store them in the favorites menu for quick access. Alternatively, if your model supports Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, mirror your phone's navigation app for seamless destination entry using Google Maps or Waze. After entering your destination, select Start to begin turn-by-turn directions. Explore route preferences like fastest, shortest, or avoid highways to customize your journey. The system may also offer real-time traffic adjustments. Mazda Connect services provide essential features for your navigation. Live services, such as real-time traffic updates, require a valid subscription, which is often free initially, but may incur a fee afterward. To ensure accurate navigation, calibrate your GPS through the vehicle's settings menu under Vehicle Options. If you encounter issues like outdated maps or system freezes in your Mazda CX-3 navigation, check for over-the-air software updates to improve responsiveness and fix bugs. Access the vehicle's settings menu to check for OTA updates or use the Mazda app on your smartphone. If the built-in navigation system is not working properly, consider using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto as an alternative. Always prioritize safety when using navigation in your Mazda CX-3. Enter destinations only when the vehicle is parked to avoid distractions while driving. While the built-in navigation system is functional, smartphone apps often provide more accurate and up-to-date information through real-time traffic and maps. Stay informed about the latest Mazda Connect updates to ensure optimal performance of your navigation system.